Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the no source selected error in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the menu bar. Click on View, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Reset UI. This action will restore OBS to its default layout, bringing back all the essential panels you need, including scenes, sources, audio mixer, scene transitions, and controls. Sometimes a simple UI reset is all it takes to fix display issues and get your sources showing up again. Now, if resetting the UI didn't solve the problem, don't worry, you'll need to recreate your sources manually, which is a straightforward process. Navigate to the bottom left section of your screen where you'll find the Sources panel, click on the plus icon to add a new source. From the list that appears, select Display Capture, then click OK to proceed. This will open a new window where you can configure your display settings. Look for the option labeled Display. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your preferred display from the available list. This is especially useful if you have multiple monitors connected to your computer. Once you've selected the correct display, click OK to confirm. Your screen should now appear in OBS and you should be able to see your desktop being captured. If you're planning to stream or record gameplay and want to use game capture instead, which is actually more efficient for gaming, here's what you need to do. First, make sure your game is already running or open on your PC. This is important because OBS needs to detect the game window before you can capture it. Navigate back to the Sources panel in the bottom left, click the plus icon again, and this time select Game Capture from the list. Click OK to continue. In the settings window that opens, locate the option labeled Mode. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Capture Specific Window. This mode allows you to target a particular game rather than capturing everything on your screen. Next, find the Window option right below Mode. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select your specific game from the list of available windows. Once you've selected your game, click OK to finalize the settings. Game capture is generally the better choice for gaming content because it uses fewer system resources than display capture, which means better performance and smoother streaming. And that's it! You've successfully fixed the no source selected error in OBS Studio and set up your capture sources properly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.